Why did the tomato turn red in Spain? Because it saw the salad dressing. Nothing like a good tomato joke to start our journey through Spain's vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. This video is your ticket to experience the magic of Spain as we explore everything from its sun-kissed beaches to its delectable cuisine. We promise to keep things light, entertaining, and of course, informative. So hold on to your sombreros, amigos. With a sense of humor, let's dive into the beautiful world of Spain. Imagine standing on a hilltop, feeling the cool Spanish breeze on your face. Let that breeze guide you through the diverse landscapes of Spain, a country that has been painted with a palette so vibrant, it's like a living, breathing work of art. To the north, you'll find a green paradise. The Basque country, Asturias and Galicia are home to lush valleys, forests and rolling hills, all quenched by the generous rains. It's a region where the color green has 1,000 different shades, each one more beautiful than the last. Now let's journey to the south, where the landscape tells a different story. Here the arid plains of Andalusia stretch out under the blazing sun. The land may be parched, but it's not lifeless. Olive groves and vineyards dot the landscape, and the stark white villages perched on hilltops are a sight to behold. But Spain isn't just about the north and south. The country's rugged coastline is a spectacle in itself. From the wild Costa Brava in Catalonia to the golden beaches of Costa del Sol, the Spanish coast offers a stunning contrast of serene coves and dramatic cliffs. And then there are the mountains. The Pyrenees, with their snowy peaks, are a hiker's dream. These mountains form a natural border between Spain and France, and their dramatic slopes and valleys are a testament to the power of nature. From the green north to the arid south, from the rugged coast to the snowy mountains, Spain is a land of contrasts. Each region has its own character, its own charm, and its own story to tell. And the beauty of it all? You don't have to choose just one. So, whether you're a beach lover, a mountain hiker, or a city stroller, Spain has something for everyone. Spain is not just about natural beauty, it's also a treasure trove of architectural marvels. Let's take a journey through Spain's architectural wonders, where each building is a testament to the country's rich history and culture. We begin with the Alhambra in Granada, a breathtaking blend of Moorish and Christian influences. The intricate designs and craftsmanship of this fortress palace complex are a testament to the complexity of Spain's history. Moving east, we arrive at Catalonia, home to the famous Antoni Gaudí. His unique style, often described as architectural surrealism, has left an indelible mark on the cityscape of Barcelona. The Sagrada Familia, still under construction after more than 100 years, is a marvel of Gaudí's vision. Its towering spires and intricate facades are a sight to behold. But Gaudí isn't the only architect to have left his mark on Spain. Santiago Calatrava's futuristic city of arts and sciences in Valencia is a testament to Spain's forward-thinking approach to architecture. This cultural complex, with its eye-catching white structures, is a stark contrast to the Gothic and Moorish architecture we've seen elsewhere. Let's not forget the Royal Palace of Madrid, a grandeur symbol of Spain's monarchy. The palace is a prime example of classic European architecture, with its ornate detailing and symmetrical design. In Bilbao, the Guggenheim Museum provides a stark contrast with its curvaceous titanium-clad facade. This modernist masterpiece by Frank Gehry is a testament to Spain's willingness to push the boundaries of architectural design. And then there's the Mezquita of Córdoba, a stunning fusion of Islamic and Christian architecture. This former mosque-turned-cathedral is a symbol of the cultural coexistence that has shaped Spain's architectural landscape. In Spain, the buildings aren't just structures, they are storytellers, narrating tales of the past and visions of the future. Each one is a masterpiece, reflecting the country's rich tapestry of influences and its continuous evolution. And the beauty of it all? There's always more to discover. So get ready to be amazed, because in Spain the buildings tell stories and each one is a masterpiece. Now let's whet your appetite with some Spanish delicacies. Spain, a country renowned for its culinary delights, boasts a rich food culture that is as vibrant and diverse as its people. From the bustling markets of Madrid to the sun-kissed olive groves of Andalusia, the Spanish cuisine is a delightful blend of fresh, local produce and time-honored cooking techniques. Let's begin our gastronomic journey with tapas, the heart and soul of Spanish cuisine. These small plates of deliciousness, often shared among friends over a glass of wine, are more than just a meal. They are a way of life. From patatas bravas, crispy potatoes drenched in spicy tomato sauce, to gambas al ajillo, succulent prawns bathed in garlic-infused olive oil, each tapa is a flavorful bite of Spanish culture. Next, let's move on to paella, the crowning glory of Spanish cuisine. Originating from Valencia, this saffron-infused rice dish is a riot of colors and flavors. Cooked in a large, shallow pan, paella is often brimming with a variety of ingredients like rabbit, chicken, seafood, and vegetables, each adding its unique flavor to this beloved Spanish dish. And what's a meal without dessert? Enter churros, Spain's favorite sweet treat. These golden, crispy fritters, often served with a cup of thick, rich chocolate for dipping, are a heavenly end to any Spanish meal. But Spanish cuisine is not just about the food, it's about the experience. Dining in Spain is a social event, a time to unwind, catch up with friends, and savor the good things in life. Whether it's a leisurely lunch in a sun-dappled courtyard or a late-night tapas crawl through the winding streets of Seville, mealtimes are cherished moments of togetherness and enjoyment. So if you're a foodie, Spain is a gastronomic paradise waiting to be explored. With its vast array of mouth-watering dishes and its warm, convivial dining culture, Spain is not just a destination, it's a culinary adventure. Spain is not just a country, it's a vibrant tapestry of cultures. Immerse yourself in the colorful world of Spanish culture, a world that's as diverse as it is captivating. Here, culture is not just about museums and art galleries, but it's about the people, their languages, traditions, and the zest for life that they infuse into their everyday lives. Spain is a country where the past and the present coexist harmoniously, where age-old traditions sit comfortably alongside modern customs. This is a nation that speaks in many tongues, from Castilian Spanish to Catalan, Galician, and Basque, each with its own unique cultural nuances. Consider the flamenco dance, a passionate and deeply emotional art form that has its roots in the Andalusian region of southern Spain. The fervor of the flamenco dancer, the strumming of the guitar, the rhythm of the clapping hands, it's a spectacle that encapsulates the Spanish spirit, a testament to their love for music, dance, and the arts. Then there's the running of the bulls, a tradition that dates back to the 13th century. Every year, brave souls, and perhaps a few foolhardy ones, run ahead of a herd of bulls through the narrow streets of Pamplona. It's a thrilling, adrenaline-pumping spectacle that's as Spanish as paella and Picasso. But Spain isn't all about flamenco and bull runs. The Spanish also know how to take it easy. The siesta culture, a tradition of afternoon rest, is a charming aspect of Spanish life. It's not just about catching a few winks in the afternoon, but it's a ritual that emphasizes the importance of taking a pause, of enjoying the smaller moments in life. In Spain, every aspect of life is steeped in culture. It's a country that celebrates its diversity, its history, its language, and its traditions. It's a place where every day is not just another day, but a celebration of life. In Spain, every day is a celebration of life. We've journeyed through Spain's landscapes, marveled at its architecture, savored its cuisine, and danced to its culture. What a whirlwind tour it's been, hasn't it? We've hopped from the rugged cliffs of Costa Brava to the sun-drenched vineyards of Andalusia. We've strolled through the narrow, winding streets of Barcelona's Gothic Quarter, gazed in wonder at the artistry of Gaudí, and let our taste buds revel in the flavors of tapas and paella. Oh, and who could forget the flamenco dancers with their fiery passion and intense rhythm, or the whispering walls of the Alhambra, each stone telling a tale of centuries past. And the fiestas. Spain is a country that truly knows how to celebrate life. But remember, this is just a glimpse, a teaser, a taste of the rich, vibrant, and diverse tapestry that is Spain. There's so much more to explore, to experience, to lose yourself in. Every city, every region, every corner of this beautiful country has its own unique charm, its own story to tell. So, what are you waiting for? Spain is a country that invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty, its history, its culture, and its gastronomy. It's a country that welcomes you with open arms and a warm, heartfelt bienvenidos. So, pack your bags, brush up on your Spanish, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Spain.